Welcome to the closeout report for the MAYZ Trustless OTC protocol, funded through Project Catalyst, Fund 12, under the challenge Product and Integrations. Our mission was to address liquidity and slippage challenges in the Cardano secondary market. You know, deep liquidity is a challenge in any network to provide a smooth swap experience. The constant formula behind the most DEXs is a significant constraint of that. That's why with MAYZ, we create this trustless OTC protocol that enables trustless, large volume token trades without the liquidity constraints and price impact typical of DEXs. We implemented an NFT-based system representing locked token positions, providing secure, decentralized, and non-custodial trading experience. Basically, we aim to deploy a fully functional smart contract on the Cardano mainnet, which is what you are seeing right now. This is the UI, which is another thing that we aim to deliver a UI, pretty basic, and to provide a clear documentation and robust onboarding resources that you will find in the GitHub link. Our solution consists in two main smart contracts, both deploy and verify on Cardano mainnet. One of them is OTC validator.Plutus, which handling the OTC positions, and the other one is the protocol validator.Plutus, with managing the protocol wide parameters. These contracts were thoroughly tested with ICANN, achieving 100% success rate on emulators and preview testnet before coming to mainnet. Let's go quickly into a demo of the product. As you can see here, you can come to otc.mayz.io and you can connect your wallet. I'm going to do that. I will connect my wallet. Once connected, you can go to my area and you can now create basically an OTC potential operation. I may add, let's say, 1,000 or 10,000 MAYZ tokens and create an OTC. I'm going to do that. Basically now, what I have to do is to sign a transaction. I'm going to do exactly that. With this transaction signed, basically we will be able to create this OTC, which is going to be an NFT that represent the 10,000 MAYZ tokens that I have logged into that smart contract. When the transaction is approved, let me tell you a little bit about the achievements and learnings that we have. Basically, we complete a smart contract life cycle with the architecture, from the architecture to the development and deployment. We effectively use ICANN, which is a significant enhancing development speed and testing capabilities from our side, because we usually did smart contracts on Haskell, which was much complex. And basically then we successfully engage with the community via documentation, demos, videos, and talks to find and get some feedbacks about this tool. As you can see right now, the transaction has been approved. And if I go to my area, I can see here that I have one OTC created, which of course I can cancel whenever I want. I can come here and cancel if I wanted to take this back. Let's do it. If I go to cancel, the protocol will allow me to get back the tokens I logged there. I'm going to sign the transaction. So I can fully allocate the tokens and then basically get them back, which is of course pretty important to provide security to the tokens and show that this is completely permissionless and non-custodial. Okay, so what are the next steps? We are going to conduct a comprehensive security audit. We will integrate this solution more deeply into some wallet support so we can have an easier way to do it. We will provide a more user-friendly UI, and we will seek further partnerships and funding to expand the functionality. So you will see us probably in next. Final comments: the MAYZ Trustless OTC protocol represents a significant step forward in addressing Cardano's liquidity issues. We sincerely thank Project Catalyst and the Cardano community for giving us the opportunity to work on this issue. Basically, we thank you for your attention, and we are looking forward to continue collaborating with the Cardano ecosystem. As you can see, the transaction has been performed, and I don't have any open OTC. So thank you again.